Welcome to the TurboForms app tutorial series. This video will show you how an administrator can create new users, update user details, and manage teams within the app. Creating a new user. Locate the Users option in the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This section lists all current users with access to the app. To create a user, click the Create User button at the top right corner of the screen. User details. A user creation form will appear. Here, you'll need to enter the user's first name, last name, and email address, and select a role from the provided drop-down menu. Roles define the level of access and permissions a user has within the application. Password management. You can choose between manually setting a password for the user or using the auto-generate option to create a secure, random password. Account information delivery. Turn on the Send AC Info option to automatically email the login credentials to the new user. Team assignment. Navigate to the Teams tab within the user creation form. You can assign the user to a specific team by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Teams allow for organized collaboration and data access control. Profile photo. Click the Upload Profile Photo button to add a visual identifier for the user. Once all details are filled in and reviewed, click the Save button to finalize the user creation process. The new user will now be displayed in the user list. Editing existing users. Click on the user you wish to modify from the displayed user list. A detailed user profile form will open. Here, you can edit any information, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, role, or team assignment. After making the necessary modifications, click the Update button to confirm the changes and update the user profile. Creating a new team. Locate the Create Team button positioned next to the Create User button in the top right corner. Team details. Provide a clear name for the team. You can also assign a team manager by selecting an individual from the designated drop-down menu. In the description box, briefly describe the team's purpose or area of focus. Create team. Once all details are entered, click the Create button to establish the new team. Adding users to teams. Click on the specific user you wish to add to a team from the user list. Assign team. Within the user's profile, navigate to the Teams section. Select the desired team from the drop-down menu. Save changes. Click the Update button to confirm the team assigned to the chosen user. You've successfully created a new user, updated user details, and manage teams within the TurboForms app. In our next video, we'll show you how to design a form using TurboForms app. Thank you for watching.